You're watching the Hoosier Garage.
This was sent to me by Vevor, an auto refinishing spray gun. I believe that's how I say it. And I'm pretty sure they are a Chinese outfit in China. They've been emailing me about dropping a video showcasing this, and I finally got around getting ready to do it. When they sent me this, I was moving from the old house. I've now gotten settled, and this is the closest project I can get to showcasing this and giving my review on it. And I'll let you know whether I like it or not. It might have something that blows me away. We'll see. It might be a knockoff of a particular domestic made gun. I don't know. I can't tell you much about that, but I'll give you my honest opinion on this. They sent it to me for free. I appreciate that, but I will give what I really think about it, whether it's an icky gun or if it's a good gun. Hopefully everybody will get a concept of this thing. It comes with a regulator. It has a metal pot with the plastic top here. Those are good things, I think. It has their logo on it and Vevor. What else? Let's see, here's the gun itself. Yeah, they even give me some tape to wrap the threads. Some thread tape. It's the first time I've had this thing out. I've had it for months, like I said. And I'll reiterate this in a moment, but when they put these together, typically they will put a little bit of oil in there. So before you go putting paint in it, make sure you use something like lacquer thinner to kind of degrease it. Shoot that out, wipe it out a little bit, and then it won't get into your paint and fisheye. So always remember that when you have a brand new gun. There might be some oil in there, okay? We're gonna get our paint together, which is, it's actually a machinery and equipment level of our old Chrysler 1972 and 73 TB3. If it's Plymouth, it's Richard Petty Blue. If it's Dodge, it's Super Blue or Basin Street Blue, Blue Streak, whatever you want to call it. It is not corporate blue. I did want corporate blue, but they can't get a code on it. Somebody out there might. But it's awful close to the degree where a lot of people confuse the two colors. But this one is a little bolder, a little brighter than corporate Chrysler Blue. And that's what's going to be going on. That tank is going to have guts painted white, and you'll see all that shortly. Lacquer thinner. And before I put any paint in there, just as a general rule, I like to put lacquer thinner in here first. Now you might mix it up in a cup or whatever. This one doesn't require hardener. It's just it's an industrial version. It's a fast dry type situation. Excellent for what we're doing. We use the same style of paint on the guts of our duster. The metallic green looks really good, holds up fine. But we'll use the hardener version of all this on the duster on the outside. But you know, this will be good for the tank. Okay, so this thing's been shaken up really good. We're gonna open it up. I apologize for any of the light. We got, you know, we're still a work in progress around here. And here's our blue. That's our Super Blue, Petty Blue, whatever you want to call it. TB3 is the code. And I've already just got some of the thinner in there. Now if you got the little strainers, use those. This is straight out. This is all clean, so we're just going to go ahead and pour it in. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put our lid on it, mix it up, let it set for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll be ready to spray. and that would be the vent on the top. A lot of cases I've had different guns, they'll have a little screw in or push in button that has a little hole drilled in that for a vent, and if you do get too far back, it kind of weeps out. This one, if you can see that in there, it comes out a little bit more of a splash. You can see the mess that it made here. I didn't see any solutions to that as far as maybe something that need to go in there, but I'm sure something could be come up with, fabricated or whatever you want to do. Had a little bit of paint coming out of here somewhere, it seemed like, which is odd, but I didn't really have any usability problems with it. So I'll give it from a scale from A+ to F, I give it an A. Feels good quality. Like I said, I think that might be a kind of a double of a domestic gun. I'm not sure. Good solid feel, feels good, comfortable, has a good pivot to it, doesn't feel like it's top heavy or bottom heavy. With most situations you have your settings, stuff like that. Sometimes you don't feel the setting. This one you do, you feel and you see the difference in each movement of the setting. That's the Vevor gun that I have told them I would review. Here it is. I have no qualms with it. We'll use it again, and that's our review of the Vevor gun. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Make sure you check out more videos here on the Hoosier Garage. This segment has been taken exclusively from our sandblast cabinet building video, so we can get a little bit of a section for Vevor so we can give a review in case somebody's not interested in doing that, but they want to know about this gun. So here you go.
Thank you for watching the Hoosier Garage. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more restoration, tips, and fun.